Today I'm making Taiwanese spring roll, renbing. This is actually a dish when I go back to Taiwan. I always go to the market and sacrifice the craving that I've had for a long time. I like to serve this usually during gathering because again, this is something that people can decide what they want to put in and also they can make multiple renbing at the same time. Today I'm going to show you how to make 蛋皮. If you translate directly into English, it's called the egg skin. And it's actually very versatile. A lot of time we use in garnishing. And today with the spring roll, we're also going to use the egg skin as part of the filling. Usually is 2 eggs we mix with 1 tablespoon of water. And then you just have to mix it well. So egg, typically you want to beat it, it's like frothy. I'm going to sieve the eggs. So in this case, it will make sure it's not lumpy. Okay, so here we have to use a non-stick pan. I'm just going to spray a very thin layer of oil. You can use oil, regular oil. Here it's just easy for me to spray. Medium heat. Usually I do 1 and then it covers, then it's enough. Not bad. In the meantime, I'm going to season the pork. It's about 500 grams. Then I will put about 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then some sesame oil, about 2 teaspoons. And then some wine. So I'm going to cut the vegetable. This green cabbage is one important aspect. Then we have carrots, we have celery, array of different vegetables. Later we're just going to stir fry them. Today this renbing, it requires lima bean. I have used this to cook Indian vegetables like a bhaji. We keep the skin of the lima bean and then use it for stir fry later. But in the meantime, all I need really is just the beans. But this bean compared to the one in Taiwan, it's so small. Next is jicama. Jicama. So you use this a lot in spring rolls, actually. In Vietnamese spring rolls we use. It's fun. Today we're going to use it in Taiwanese spring roll. Also matchstick. And then the last one is deferred. So the one how we cut this is, let's say I take 2, then we roll it up like a burrito. So pretty. I begin to realize as I explore more and more, every culture have this version of filling stuff in a wrap. So like burritos, and then I think in Singapore here you have bopia, and then in China I think you have chunjuan. But this is a Taiwanese version of chunjuan. So I stir fry all these different vegetables and with the powder, as well as I have some garlic puree. It's just water and puree garlic. So now everything is ready and I cannot wait to put on my own spring roll. So I double layer it. You just need to use your experience to make sure it doesn't burst. And then I love this one. This one is a must with all the peanut powder. I personally really like garlic. It's quite spicy. All right, so then we wrap it. I actually had made a daikon soup to go with it. It tasted like at home. I'll have it with some soup.